Hey guys, what's going on? Karl here, back with a video at the Steve Jobs Theater. We just finished the keynote and I had my first hands-on first impressions with the brand new iPhone XR. That is the budget-friendly iPhone that's being released. This one is coming in at $750, so interesting pricing. I was hoping that came in at $699. I know this is supposed to be the iPhone that's out for everyone. They do come in a ton of different colors this time. Really reminds me of the iPhone, was it the 5C, Nick?
Correct.
The 5C, that had a ton of colors similar to this, but this time around it is made out of aluminum. There are 6 colors, so black, white, coral, there was a blue.
A yellow.
A yellow, nice, and a product red as well. So 6 different colors that I got to check out. I think my personal fave may have been the coral. I was hoping it was a bit more orange, but that is okay. Curious to hear your thoughts though, which your fave color was. So unlike the iPhone XS and say the iPhone 8, these ones are made completely out of aluminum. So on the front, it's a 6.1 inch panel that's 1792 by 892 pixels that has a pixel density of 326. It's the first edge-to-edge LCD panel, and Apple calls it the liquid retina display. And other than those changes in, say, the materials and the design, the iPhone XR brings a lot of what we've seen in the iPhone XS, which is awesome. So it has the same A12 Bionic chip, it's got the same Face ID recognition and sensors inside. So on the back, it has a single lens system, but it's very similar, though, to the XS's with the dual lenses. It's a 12 megapixel sensor, f1.8, and it does use a lot of software, so you can still do the bokeh effects and you can still do depth control with it. That's really interesting, very similar to, say, what the Pixel has, combining a lot of software with, of course, the hardware of the camera. And I guess lastly, in terms of battery life, Apple didn't really mention too many specs, but they said it had 1.5 hours more than the iPhone 8, so we're hoping that does definitely last the entire day. Obviously, I'll be testing these guys out more in depth, but these are my first overall impressions and hands-on with the devices, and of course, with the iPhone XR, it is all about the different colors and all about bringing value for $750. It's available in 64, 128, and 256 gigs, available to pre-order on October 19th and fully available on October 26th. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick episode, and obviously a ton more content coming around the latest Apple keynote. Hope to catch you guys in one of those videos, and very curious which color you guys would end up picking. Let me know down below, and we'll catch you in the rest of my Apple keynote content.
What color would you choose?
The coral, man.
Coral.
Coral.
I'm gonna have to go with yellow.
Ooh. Wish the coral was more orange. One day, Apple,